Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and today we're back at it again with another food-inspired makeup video. And yes, it is by the same company. So today I wanted to share with you guys the Glamlite Burger Palette. One more time. Burger Palette. Did you hear me? Burger Palette. Yes, ma'am, sirs. We're looking at the Glamlite Burger Palette along with the Glamlite Fry Lashes. So I wanted to bring you guys my thoughts on these two products, packaging, pricing, shade swatches, and also this look that I created using the Burger Palette, and I am wearing the Fry Lashes. So if you're interested to see all the deets and to see this makeup look in action, then stay tuned and let's get into this video. I did do a previous video with Glamlite on their pizza palette, and you guys, if you haven't seen that video, I will link it up below and in the description box. But that palette blew my mind. Just to have a company be that innovative and that creative, I was just like, whoa, like I had to take a step back, and I really enjoyed that palette. So yeah, again, please check that out if you haven't. But today we are talking about the Burger Palette. When this launched, I was super excited because again, I had already experienced the pizza palette and I just knew that this would not fail me. So I picked this up and let's just talk about the packaging. So it comes in this Burger Palette type of box, and again, creativity. Like, this is just an amazing way to have your product delivered for the customer. Mind blown. Like, I just love the extra detail that this company goes into. So again, so this is what it looks like here, and then on the back of the box it does give you more information about the shades in here, the palette information, and the company. And again, this is a cruelty-free and vegan palette, so if you were concerned about that, then this palette is a go for you. So let's just open this up because I'm too excited. All right, so we're opening up the Burger Palette because this is how it came in. And inside the box, this is what it looks like. And it did come with a little card about the company and about Miss Giselle, who is the owner of Glamlite. And so this is the palette, and this is what it came in. It came in a burger type of bag. Like, if you were gonna go to a diner, this is how they would give you your burgers. Like, come on, let's be real, and I'm here for it. I'm living for it. So the burger just slides out as such, and this is just super cute, you guys. It's so cute. I love it. I'm here for it, and I'm super excited. Calm down, Chip. Calm down. So this is the Burger Palette. This is what it looks like packaging wise, and it is a rounded top, and you guys, it is soft. Like, it is a plush type of palette top, and again, just like the innovation, the creativity, and just, it looks real. Like, it looks like it's a burger bun, right? Right? Right. So on the back of the packaging, it does say if you use this palette, then you can feature your looks using hashtag Glamlite, and their Instagram is Glamlite as well. It says, warning, do not eat. Just in case you wake up hungry, this is a makeup palette, not an actual burger. And it does also include the ingredients that are in all of the shades, and the palette itself is 32 grams, but the shades, you get 16 shades, and each of them are 0.7 ounces. And in this video, I will provide the price and the price per each shadow as well. And if you want more information, then you can just go to their website. Okay, so honestly, yes, I am here for the packaging. It has a great information about the ingredients on the packaging, on the shipping box as well, so you are very informed about the item that you purchased. And let's just open this up. So this is what it looks like, and again, I'm here for it. Like, can we see that this is stunning? So again, you have a nice sized mirror here. I'm trying not to like blind you, but you do see the kind of bun aesthetic here, and it does kind of fold back, not all the way, but it folds back to a good degree. And here is the inside of the palette. Definitely looks like a burger around the perimeter, like you see like a patty, some lettuce, the bottom bun here, and then the cheese slice is what's actually holding the eyeshadows, which I think is so creative. The organization of these shades, you have a good mixture of greens, purples, golds, and browns. So I think that this is a very good everyday palette. And what I like about it is like you can stay at more of like your safe zone of eyeshadows up in this corner, but if you want to go more daring, more bright and bold, then you can just come down here. You have a mixture of mattes and shimmers in this palette, so that is nice. And yeah, I really like the organization. I think that all of the colors complement each other, so there's not one shade that I'm like, why in the world is it there? I think that you can definitely create several looks with this palette. I love the vibrancy of this palette. I think it's definitely a great summer palette, and yeah, I am here for it, and I'm super excited that she came out with a burger palette because I think that this is just so creative, so creative. Okay, so overall, the packaging and the aesthetic and the look of the shades on the inside and just the overall of this palette, I do give this a 10 out of 10. I think it's just the coolest thing ever. And sitting beside the pizza palette, it's just, it works. It works. All right, so next, let's talk about the lashes and how they came. So the lashes are in this box, and it says fry lashes here, and it definitely looks like you just went out and got some fries. Like, this would be a small fry, please. This is super cute. And on the back, it does give some more information here. And it also says that the lashes are cruelty-free and vegan. So on the back, it says that these are full lashes. Every fry lash is designed and created using the highest and softest quality of synthetic silk. And these 3D lashes are a perfect way to add volume, length, and versatility to your eyelashes. And I feel like also it really adds to your overall eyeshadow look as well. But yeah, so I love that these are cruelty-free and vegan, and the packaging is super cute. Now also note that I am wearing them right now, so they're not in the actual container, but I will insert a clip of what they look like. So when you open it up, it does say, do you want fries with that? Which I think is super cute. Again, just very creative, putting that extra attention to detail in your packaging. And then this is where your lashes are held, and it has fries in the background. Now, what I do feel is that the box itself is pretty large for holding just one set of lashes, but I think what I'll do is I'll take this out because you can remove this, and I'm going to use this as just holding other lashes. So this is just going to become my mini lash book, and I think that's just great that I can still use the packaging for other needs. So for packaging, I give it a 9 out of 10. I just think it's a little bit big, but I will find a use for it. So yeah, I am all for this as well. And I love that I just have like a cute set. So I have a burger palette and fry lashes. Like, that's just super cute. So I'm super excited. Okay, so these are the first 4 shades. So we're starting with Pickles here, which is a nice shimmer metallic-y green, and then we have Mustard, which is a matte color, and then we have Bacon, which is a nice shimmer bronzy orange tone, and then we ending with Sweet Potato Fries, which is a nice matte orange. So let's give these a swatch. Okay, so they swatch really nicely. I was just a little bit more gentle. Let me put these on. Okay, so these are the swatches, and they look really nice. Pickles is just such a stunning color. I wish I would put that on the lid. So yeah, so there's Pickles, and then we have Mustard, Bacon, and then Sweet Potato Fries. And the pigmentation is definitely on point. And again, you can build these shadows up if you just want more color. Okay, and the next 4 shades, so starting with Tomatoes, which is a matte red, but it's a very light red. And then you have 1000 Island. That's so cute. And this is a very nice metallic rose gold shade. And then you have Caramelized Onions, which is a matte brown, and then ending with Cheddar, which is a metallic yellow. So let's give these a swatch. Okay, so here are the next 4 shades. So Tomato up top is really pulling off of it as a very bright red. It's not like a true like fire engine red. And then you have Thousand Island, which is very, very cute. This is a very nice shimmery rose gold metallic, leaning more to the pinky tones. And then you have Caramelized Onions, which is a nice brown matte. And then you have Cheddar, which is a very bright metallic yellow color. And again, the pigmentation on point and definitely buildable as well. Okay, so here are the next 4 shades. So starting with Blue Cheese, which looks to be a metallic light blue. And then you have Avocado, which is a nice lime green matte. And then you have Red Onions, which is a matte burgundy shade. And ending with Onion Rings, which is more of a deeper mustard brown matte. So give these a swatch. Okay, so here are the shades Swatched, and Blue Cheese, stunning. Like, that blue metallic is beautiful, beautiful. And then you have Avocado, which is a very nice neon green, and Red Onions, again, this really nice burgundy matte. And then you have Onion Ring, which is a nice deeper mustard tone compared to the actual mustard shade in the palette. So that's a really nice orangey brown matte. So here are the last 4 shades in the palette. So we're starting with Lettuce here, which is a very nice shimmer. I would say this is a lime green shimmer, and then you going in with Spinach, which is a darker green matte, and then you have Ketchup, which is a more true to orange matte, and then you ending it with Barbecue Sauce, which is a deeper burgundy matte. So again, these are the last 4 shades in the palette, so let's give them a swatch. Okay, so here are the last 4 shades. So again, we're starting with Lettuce up top, and that is pulling more of a metallic to me, more on the yellowy toned than the green, but still really gorgeous. And then we have Spinach right beside it, which is a darker matte green. And then we're looking at Tomato, which is looking more on the red toned. And then we're ending it with Barbecue Sauce. Again, both the last 3 are matte shades. Barbecue Sauce is a more deeper burgundy matte. So yeah, so this completes the swatches of the palette. Okay, so that completes the swatches of the Burger palette. And again, I am super, super impressed with this palette. The pigmentation of this palette is outstanding, and I love the feel of these shadows. They're very buttery, they're very smooth, they blend like a dream. So they layer on top of themselves really nicely. Again, no muddying up of any of the shades, and I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. I honestly love everything about this. So I really hope you enjoyed these swatches. And next we're going to jump into this makeup look. I did create this using this palette. I did add a little bit of glitter just to oomph the look a little bit, but the shades are only from this palette. So if you're interested to see how I created this look, then stay tuned and let's just jump into the makeup tutorial. To begin, I'm going to prep my eyes using the Urban Decay Eye Potion Primer in Original. What's great about this palette is you're able to really build up this pigmentation to what you want, and it doesn't look splotchy, it doesn't look like it's not, you know, sitting well, blending well, like it's really good. I'm going to create a cut crease, and I'll be using the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Drug Lord, which is his just whitest white, and I'll be using a Morphe E19 brush, and we're just going to cut along the whole crease. So I have completed creating the cut crease, and now I want to go back in with Spinach and add it to my outer corner so that I can just blend it into the lipstick and we just get rid of any harsh lines. I added some liner, some mascara, and a little bit of liquid eyeshadow just right here, just kind of to pop the look just a tad bit. And now we're going to add lashes. So again, I did also pick up the Glamlite Fry lashes. Okay, here are the lashes. Super pretty. Okay, so let me just finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. Okay, so let's talk about the palette and the lashes and like my final thoughts on the two products. So for the palette, I am absolutely loving that it really feels like a burger. I'm loving the soft top as well, and just the overall aesthetic that it's a burger. Like, I love the rim, I love the organization, and all that jazz. So again, I give packaging a 10 out of 10. And for the eyeshadows inside and the pigmentation themselves, I was really looking at this at the perspective of dark skin application, of course, because I am dark skin, and it really did a great job. I didn't place a white base all over my lid because I wanted to see how they would work just on my natural skin tone. So I just used my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and I mean, like you guys saw, the shadows really laid on beautifully. The pigmentation was amazing, so that was really nice. They placed really nicely, they blended out really great, and the color was true to what is in the pan, which is great. And so yeah, so my overall thoughts on the palette would be a 10 out of 10. The creativity, the innovation, the thought process, just the care and the attention to detail in this palette is astounding, and I am all for it. So that is a plus. And so next, let's talk about the lashes. So again, they did come in a very cute packaging. Really looks like you've got French fries. The lashes that I'm wearing are these Fry lashes, and my thoughts on them, they're really easy to apply. I'm not like the best person at applying lashes, so the band was thick, so it was able to just lay right on my lash line really easily. I think that the length of them really suits my eye length. So if you have smaller eyes, as far as like length than mine, then you will have to trim them down. But if you feel like our eyes are kind of like the same size and length, then these just fit really nice. And yeah, this look really turned out really nice. I absolutely love reaching for this palette for some bright eyeshadows. So again, I did leave everything that I used on my face down in the description box below. I left information about Glamlite and more information about the Burger palette and the Fry lashes down below as well. And if you want to just get to talking about the products that I used, then let's get to chatting in the comments below. But that is all I have for you for this video, and I really hope you're having a great week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.